HughesNet Internet Provider Honest Review. Watch before using. HughesNet is a satellite internet provider, primarily catering to rural and remote areas where traditional cable or fiber services aren't available. The service offers nationwide coverage, but that's where its key benefits end. One of the biggest limitations is the speed. It maxes out at 25 Mbps, which is sufficient for basic browsing, email, and light streaming, but falls short for gaming, video calls, or downloading large files. The latency inherent to satellite technology makes real-time applications like Zoom or online gaming quite challenging. HughesNet also operates on a data cap system, with monthly limits ranging from 15 to 75 gigabytes. Once you hit that limit, your speeds are drastically reduced, making any heavy internet usage nearly impossible without paying for extra data tokens. Another downside is the long-term contract, which can be difficult to get out of if you're not satisfied. However, for those in underserved regions, it might be one of the few available options. It works well for users who just need internet for essential tasks, but if you're looking for high-speed, unlimited access, this is not the solution. Lastly, the setup can be costly with initial equipment fees, and there's a high early termination fee if you want to cancel before the contract ends. In short, HughesNet is for users who don't have other viable internet options and have modest usage needs. If that sounds like you, it's worth considering, but be aware of its limitations before committing.